Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are all doing well. Today in this lesson we will be reading chapter 2, that is culture. Before exploring the content of this chapter, we should know what is culture. Culture जो होता है बेटा, it refers to the shared customs, values, behaviors and practices of a group of people, right? और ये किस लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है? व्हाट्स द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ कल्चर? कल्चर जो होता है बेटा, इट इन्फ्लुएंसेस हाउ पीपल परसीव, थिंक एंड इंटरेक्ट विद द वर्ल्ड अराउंड देम, राइट? नेशनलिज्म बेटा, नेशनलिज्म क्या होता है? ये एक आइडियोलॉजी है दैट एम्फसाइजेस ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ नेशनल आइडेंटिटी, यूनिटी एंड इंटरेस्ट्स, राइट? Nationalism refers to the sense of loyalty and affection of people to their नेशन। बेटा, नेशनलिज्म एक ऐसी आइडियोलॉजी है जो कि बेस्ड है ऑन द सेंस ऑफ लॉयल्टी एंड अफेक्शन ऑफ पीपल टू द नेशन, राइट? बेटा, नेशन क्या होती है? नेशन जो होती है, इट्स अ कम्युनिटी ऑफ पीपल दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन कॉमन लैंग्वेज, टेरिटरी, एथनिसिटी एंड ऑल दैट। इज दैट क्लियर? Devotion and faithfulness is developed when people of an area have a common past and cultural heritage. जब हमारा कॉमन कल्चर होता है, कॉमन पास्ट होता है, कॉमन प्रैक्टिसेस होती हैं, तो क्या होता है? इससे हमारा सेंस ऑफ डिवोशन एंड फेथफुलनेस ये ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है। हम एक दूसरे को रिलेट कर सकते हैं, और फिर जब हम किसी चीज़ को खुद से रिलेट करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली हम लोग स्ट्रगल करते हैं कि हम उस चीज़ को डिफेंड भी करें, प्रोटेक्ट भी करें और प्रिजर्व भी करें। गेट इट? In other words, it develops around a shared culture, religion, language, and social values. Through the concept of nationalism, people of a nation feel strength and unity that leads to the freedom and prosperity of a nation. नेशनलिज्म जो है ये एक ऐसी आइडियोलॉजी है जो लोगों के अंदर फीलिंग ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ एंड यूनिटी को जो है प्रोवोक करता है, और ये दो ऐसी हमारे अंदर जो यू कैन से ऐसी फीलिंग्स हैं जो फ्रीडम और प्रोस्पेरिटी ऑफ अ नेशन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा असेंशियल है। The ideology of nationalism in Pakistan is based on Islam. This country was established as a result of sacrifices by millions of people in the name of Islam. We as Pakistanis always show the spirit of a nation. The people of the subcontinent sacrifices their lives, their property just for the sake of Islam and for having their own country where they can live according to the teachings of Islam. The ideology behind the creation of Pakistan is based on two-nation theory, exerting Hindus and Muslims as two distinct nations with different traditions, cultures, and values, which means that the ideology that served as the foundation for the creation of Pakistan is basically nationalism, and it is also deeply rooted in Islam. We as Pakistanis always show the spirit of a nation. That means we have a patriotic spirit within us. We are always ready to sacrifice for the sake of our country whenever it demands. Next one is culture. People throughout the world have different lifestyles, customs, and traditions. They speak different languages, wear a variety of clothes, and eat a wide range of cuisine. Languages, dresses, and foods are some aspects of culture. In addition to these, games, arts, and beliefs are other characteristics of culture. It means people from different parts of the world chose different lifestyles. रहन सहन उनका अलग है. They have different customs and traditions to practice and follow. They speak different languages. बिल्कुल अलग तरह की ज़बान बोलते हैं एक दूसरे से. They have different clothes to wear. ठीक है, उनका लिबास जो है उसका डिज़ाइन अलग होगा. Moreover, different communities have inclination towards different games. They are interested in different arts. Cultures of Pakistan. Pakistan is a country with a rich cultural heritage and different cultural groups like Punjabis, Sindhis, the Baloch, Pashtuns, Gilgit-Baltistanis, and Kashmiris. With the advent of Islam, settlers from Persia, Turkey, Afghanistan, and Central Asia integrated into the rich and diverse culture of the region that makes up Pakistan. When we travel around Pakistan, we come across a fusion of different languages, foods, and customs, which means it is believed that Pakistan is a country with rich cultural heritage and different cultural groups. And what made it possible? It was the advent of Islam, besides different historical events, migrations, and cultural exchanges that enabled settlers from different regions of the world, different communities of the world, to integrate into the rich and diverse culture of the region that makes up modern day Pakistan. Now let's explore about different cultural groups of Pakistan. First of all, we will read about Punjabi culture. Punjabi culture is considered one of the oldest and richest cultures in the world. The architecture, festivals, cuisine, and folk tales reflect its splendid history. Punjab has always been a land of peace and great cultural values. The festivals being celebrated, the culinary art, the folk tales being told under this culture all reflects splendid history. And Punjab has always been a land of peace and a great cultural values. In simpler words, we can say it is being believed that Punjabi culture is considered as one of the oldest and richest cultures in the world. Next culture we are about to explore is Sindhi culture. Sindhi culture evolved from the Indus Valley civilization. The conquest of Sindh by Muhammad bin Qasim paved the way for the advent of Islam in the subcontinent. Sindhi culture is dominated by great mystics and martyrs. Now, in the first line of the paragraph, the author has mentioned about the origin of Sindhi culture. The author says that Sindhi culture is originated or evolved from Indus Valley civilization, right? And next, the author says the advent of Islam in the subcontinent was the result of conquest by Muhammad bin Qasim, and of which area? That is of Sindh, right? Sindhi culture is dominated by great mystics and martyrs. It means beliefs and thoughts of mystics and martyrs are the dominant feature of Sindhi culture. Now let's read about Baloch culture. The main features of Baloch culture are its traditions and arts and crafts. Balochistan is also known for its tribes and festivals. Poetry and storytellings are very popular among the Baloch. The traditions they follow, the arts and crafts they do, right? Balochistan is also known for its tribes. A tribe क्या होता है? Actually, tribes जो होते हैं, they are the basis of ethnic identity, right? And the festivals that they celebrate, right? Poetry and storytelling are very popular among the Baloch. तो उनके अंदर ये बहुत ज़्यादा इस चीज़ को लाइक किया जाता है, इस चीज़ को एडोर किया जाता है कि वो पोएट्री पढ़ें और वो स्टोरी टेलिंग जो है उसको बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोट करते हैं. पश्तून कल्चर. Pashtun culture is based on religious beliefs and values. Pashtuns follow Pashtunwali, a traditional way of life, right? उनका एक traditional way of life है which is known as Pashtunwali. Hospitality, hard work and bravery are the distinctive part of their culture. These are the elements for which Pashtuns are known. Next is Kashmiri culture. Kashmiri culture is reflected by different traditions relating to food, clothing and festivals. Kashmiri handicrafts, especially wood carving, door and window styles, portray unique Kashmiri culture. Which means बाकी डिफरेंट कल्चर्स की तरह कश्मीरी कल्चर में भी इस तरह के एलिमेंट्स पाए जाते हैं उनके फूड में, उनके क्लोथिंग में, उनके फेस्टिवल्स में, उनके डिफरेंट आर्किटेक्चर में, जो क्या करते हैं कश्मीरी कल्चर को मुनफरिद बनाते हैं. The other one is Gilgit-Baltistani culture. Shinaz and Brusho assimilate into Gilgit-Baltistani culture. That means Shinaz and Brusho are the communities that assimilate into Gilgit-Baltistani culture. Gilgiti and Balti people are very cheerful and hospitable. which means that they are very optimistic people, and the thing that make them feel pleasant is helping others. Stonework, embroidery, woolen garments, and headgear are prominent features of their culture, which means the element that distinguish this culture from others is the stonework they do, the embroidery they do, the woolen garments and headgear they wear, right? Cultural diversity of Pakistan. Pakistan is a multicultural society. Here, different cultures coexist peacefully. There is a diversity in crafts, languages, festivals, foods, clothes, important events, and other cultural features. Let's have a look. तो इस पैराग्राफ में द ऑथर इज सेइंग कि पाकिस्तान जो है एक मल्टी कल्चरल सोसाइटी है, विच मीन्स पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी में डिफरेंट कल्चर्स के लोग रहते हैं और उन डिफरेंट कल्चर के जो लोग हैं उनके डिफरेंट जो है यू नो लैंग्वेजेस हैं, डिफरेंट फेस्टिवल्स हैं, डिफरेंट फूड्स हैं, क्लोथ्स हैं या फिर इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स हैं जो वो एक्नॉलेज करते हैं. And despite having inclination towards different languages, different festivals, different foods, different clothes, all of the people live here peacefully. Arts and crafts. Pakistan has a rich history of arts and crafts. In Pakistan, people make designed and shaped objects by hands or by using simple tools. Here are some examples: lamp, woodwork, carpet, pottery. These are all examples of the work that is being done by Pakistani people. Now let's dive deeper into some traditional art forms being practiced in Pakistan. Camel skin lamps and blue pottery of Multan are famous all over the world for their unique look and charm. Camel skin lamps जो होते हैं, these are carefully handcrafted and beautifully designed, hand printed in a traditional village style and are made from pure camel skin. The stunning art of blue pottery, originated from Persian and Central Asian traditions, is predominantly found in Multan, right? Floral patterns, geometrical shapes, and depiction of animals by skilled artists make Multan the hub of the blue pottery. Handwork and brasswork of Chiniot is famous worldwide for its style and artistry. And so Chiniot is famous for woodwork and brasswork being done over there. The famous artisans of Chiniot create stunning furniture items, doors, and decorative items with detailed carvings, geometrical patterns, and floral motifs. Brasswork is also a significant craft in Chiniot, where artisans create stunning pieces using techniques like etching, engraving, and hammering. Kamala's hand-woven clothes and sheets from Faisalabad are very much liked. Marble products from Texila, bangles, ajak, and printed clothes from Hyderabad, sports goods and surgical instruments from Sialkot, cutlery from Wazirabad are very famous. Shawls from Azad Kashmir, embroidered woolen wear from Gilgit, and embroidery from Bhavalpur and Dera Ghazi Khan are very popular. Leather goods are manufactured in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Embroidery on cloths and glass, stonework from Balochistan is very famous, right? तो आज़ाद कश्मीर की शॉल्स बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है, बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद की जाती हैं. उसके अलावा भावलपुर और डेरा गाजी खान की जो है एम्ब्रॉयडरी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद की जाती है. उसके अलावा लेदर गुड्स जो हैं आर बीइंग मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन खैबर पख्तूनख्वा और उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा एक्नॉलेज किया जाता है. मोरोवर बलूचिस्तान के अंदर किया जाने वाला स्टोन वर्क भी बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत का हामिल है, राइट? एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड गाउन्स, कैप्स, carpet weaving, stonework, and crafts are the specialties of Gilgit. Block printing, tie-dye, applique, ashras, jewelry, and lacquer are the major crafts of Sindh. Islamic calligraphy holds special religious and social importance in Pakistan. It can be seen on many decorative items, historical mosques, shrines, and buildings around the country. The eye-catching colors and unique displays of truck art have won international recognition. Calligraphy basically होती है writing. Islamic calligraphy means Islamic writings, जो हमारी verses लिखी हुई होती हैं different historical mosques के ऊपर या decorative items के ऊपर. Moreover, जो different हमारे vehicles हैं, लोकल ट्रांसपोर्ट, उनके ऊपर जो पेंटिंग्स हुई हुई होती हैं, कोटेशंस लिखी हुई होती हैं, अशार वगैरह, उनको भी एक सोशल रिकॉग्निशन मिली हुई है।